Are you looking to build a budget-friendly PC that can handle everyday tasks and light gaming? In this video, we'll show you how to build a PC under $400 using the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G and other budget-friendly components. But before we begin, please note that the prices mentioned in this video are subject to change. For an up-to-date list of the components used in this build, please refer to the description below. Let's start with the motherboard. The Gigabyte A520MS2H Micro ATX AM is a budget-friendly Micro ATX motherboard that's compatible with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G processor. It features 2 DIMM slots for RAM, 1 M.2 slot for storage, and a variety of ports for connectivity. For the CPU, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G is a desktop processor with 6 cores and 12 threads. It has integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics, allowing you to play some games without a separate graphics card. The performance is suitable for everyday tasks and light gaming, making it an ideal choice for budget-friendly builds. To keep the processor temperature low, we're going to use the ID Cooling SE914XT CPU cooler. This budget-friendly cooler features a 45.8 CFM airflow and a low noise level of 23.5 dB, making it an excellent choice for those who want a quiet system. Next, let's talk about memory. The Corsair Vengeance LPX memory kit features 16 GB of RAM and a dual-channel configuration, which can help improve your system's overall performance. With a speed of DDR4-3200 and a low CL16 latency, this memory kit is a great choice for budget builds. For storage, we'll be using the Western Digital Blue SN570. A budget-friendly NVMe SSD that features read speeds of up to 2,400 MB per second and write speeds of up to 1,750 MB per second. With 500 GB of storage space, it's a great choice for those who want to store their operating system and frequently used applications. For the case, we're using the Thermaltake Versa H18 Micro ATX Mini Tower case. This compact case features a mesh front panel for improved airflow, a tempered glass side panel, and plenty of room for cable management. Lastly, to power everything up, we'll be using the Thermaltake Smart 430W 80+ certified ATX power supply. This budget-friendly option is 80+ certified, which means it's efficient and can help save on your electricity bill. With a maximum output of 430 watts, it can handle most budget builds without issue. Overall, this PC build comes in at under $400 and offers great value for its price. With the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G processor and other budget-friendly components, this build can handle everyday tasks and light gaming without breaking the bank.